In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade options on Webull Mobile. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to Markets down here at the bottom, so second tab, and then up top you can see Stocks, Options, etc. So you want to tap on Options, and when you are inside Options here, of course, you can just search for any options you want to trade. For example, top right, you can just tap on the search icon, and from here type in whatever you want. So for example, here I just went for Apple. For an example, you can tap on it, and then you'll be able to see the option chain for that specific thing. Okay, now I'm going to go into my paper trading account here to actually show you how to execute this, because I want to use paper money to demonstrate this. There we go. So I'm going to go into options, and again I'm going to search for Apple. There we go. Just as an example, of course, you can trade whatever you want. I'm just trying to show you how to execute this. And then from here, you can see I'm on the options chain, and I can go ahead and tap on any option I want to trade. So you can, of course, scroll left, right, whatever you want to do. And when you find one, you can simply tap on it. And when you tap on that specific option, it's going to give you over here like the trading panel. Okay. Of course, up top, you can see your chart. You can do kind of the analysis if you want to. And then down here, you have, of course, side, either buy or sell. You can, of course, select whichever one you want. Then you have your order type, so you have a limit or a market order. So as you can see, if you do a market order, it will buy at the current market price, but if you do a limit order, it will buy at a fixed price, of course, that you set for yourself. So if you select a limit price, for example, here you could go ahead and just tap on the price like this. I can, of course, also select it myself if I want to, and of course I can select any of these suggestions as well, and then the amount of contracts as well. But if you select the market order, you will only be able to select the amount of contracts, because it will go through on the current market price. So I'm going to do one contract over here, time in force, I'm going to do day, and then here I'm just going to tap on at the bottom, and this is going to basically allow me to essentially go ahead and do my trade. Okay, so as you can see, there we go, it now went through, and here this is my order. So that's essentially how to trade options. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.